Have you ever wished you could just peek inside your brain and give it a little tune-up, like updating the software on your phone, but for your mind? Well, what if I told you there's a way to do just that, using nothing but the power of your own brain waves? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real, and it's called neurofeedback. So, what exactly is neuro? Think of it as a personal gym for your brain. You wouldn't go to the gym and lift weights without a mirror to check your form, right? Neurofeedback is that mirror for your brain activity. It's a type of biofeedback that gives you real-time information about what your brain is doing, moment by moment. Our brains are constantly buzzing with electrical activity, creating patterns called brain waves. There are different types of brain waves, each associated with a different state of mind. For example, you have fast beta waves when you're focused and alert, slower alpha waves when you're relaxed and calm, and even slower theta and delta waves when you're drowsy or in deep sleep. Ideally, our brains should be able to switch between these states smoothly, but sometimes, due to things like stress, trauma, or certain conditions, our brainwave patterns can get stuck or become This can lead to issues like anxiety, trouble sleeping, difficulty focusing, or feeling constantly on edge. This is where neurofeedback comes in to help. The process itself is completely non-invasive and actually pretty cool. It starts with a specialist placing small sensors on your scalp. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt at all. These sensors are just there to listen in on your brain's electrical signals, kind of like a tiny IG machine. These signals are then sent to a computer, which analyzes them in real time. Now for the fun part. The feedback. You'll be sitting in front of a screen, and you might be asked to watch a movie, listen to music, or even play a simple video game. But here's the trick. The movie will only play clearly. The music will only sound right. Or your little spaceship in the game will only fly straight when your brain is producing the desired brainwave patterns. Let's say your goal is to reduce anxiety. The system might be set up to reward your brain for producing more calm, relaxed alpha waves. So, when you're watching that movie and your brain naturally drifts into a more anxious high beta state, the screen might get a little blurry, or the sound might fade subconsciously. Your brain will recognize this and think, hey, I don't like this. What do I need to do to make the picture clear again? Without you even consciously trying, your brain will start to experiment with its own activity. When it stumbles upon the calmer alpha wave pattern, presto, the movie becomes crystal clear. The sound is perfect. Your brain gets an immediate positive reward. It's like training a puppy. You reward the good behavior, and over time the puppy learns to sit or stay on command. With neurofeedback, your brain is learning to regulate itself more effectively through repeated sessions. It's not just a temporary fix. Your brain is literally building and strengthening new neural pathways. It's learning a new, healthier way of functioning. And this new pattern can become its new normal. This concept is called neuroplasticity, the amazing ability of our brain to change and adapt throughout our lives. The applications for neurofeedback are incredibly wide. It's been used to help people with attention issues like ADHD by training the brain to sustain focus. It's also shown great promise for managing anxiety, depression, and PTSD by helping the brain break out of old, stuck patterns of fear and stress. Athletes and executives use it for peak performance training to enhance focus, reduce performance anxiety, and improve mental clarity under pressure. It's even been explored for helping with migraines, sleep disorders, and recovery from brain injuries. One of the most empowering things about neurofeedback is that you are an active participant in your own healing and growth. It's not a passive treatment where something is done to you. You are actively training your own brain. The technology is just the guide, the mirror that allows your brain to see itself and learn how to perform at its best. Now, it's important to have realistic expectations. Neurofeedback isn't a magic wand or a one-size-fits-all cure. The results and the number of sessions needed can vary greatly from person to person, depending on their individual brain, their goals, and the condition being addressed. It's a process of learning and training, and like any form of training, it requires time and consistency. A typical course might involve 20, 30, or even 40 sessions. It's also crucial to work with a qualified and experienced professional. They'll start with a detailed assessment, often including something called a Keeg or brain map, to get a clear picture of your unique brainwave patterns. This map helps them create a personalized training protocol tailored specifically to your needs. They'll guide you through the process, monitor your progress, and adjust the training as needed. Think about it. We spend so much time and effort training our bodies, learning new skills, and expanding our knowledge. But what about training the very organ that controls everything we do, think, and feel? Neurofeedback offers a fascinating and powerful way to do just that. To work directly with your brain to help it become more resilient, flexible, and balanced. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-regulation, unlocking the incredible potential that's already inside your own head. The brain is the final frontier, and we're just beginning to understand how to navigate it. If you're struggling with focus, mood, or stress, or you just want to optimize your mental performance, neurofeedback might be something worth looking into. Always do your own research and consult with healthcare professionals to see if it is the right fit for you. The world of brain training is evolving every day, and it's exciting to think about what the future holds for our own mental well-being. Thanks for tuning in and exploring the amazing world of neurofeedback with me today. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating universe of our minds. See you in the next video.